Hello, Chef HooLou is here today with a Mexican food, taco. Let's go to invite our table. This is our beautiful table. Let's talk about the ingredients. I have a lot of ghostly things to do. We need 500 grams of ground beef. If you don't eat beef, you can use chicken or tofu for vegan. 1 small onion and 2 cloves garlic. We also need a tablespoon of oil and half a cup of tomato sauce. Now bring your colorful spices. We need paprika, cumin, chili powder, black pepper, and salt. Bring taco shells or soft tortillas, which is the most important part of our job. Lettuce, tomatoes, cheddar or cottage cheese, sour cream, and salsa sauce, as much as you like. Chop onions, garlic, lettuce, and tomatoes into ghost or human shapes. Heat the oil in a pan, add onion and cook until soft. Then order the garlic to be added and ask the spoon to mix it. Add the minced meat to the garlic and onion. Mixture and chop into small pieces. Add the spices and pour tomato sauce and simmer 5 to 10 minutes. If you want the tortillas to be U-shaped, lightly grease them and hang them in the oven for about 10 minutes. Or fry them in a pan. Then add meat, lettuce, tomato, cheese, sour cream, and salsa in order. Plate tacos nicely. Garnish with lime or cilantro. Enjoy your meal. Also check out my previous videos and let me know if you like them. See you soon with another Mexican food. Don't forget to support by subscribing and leaving comments. Adios!